Welcome to Berry Life, bringing you easy and delicious vegan and vegetarian recipes every week. With spring around the corner, we've been craving more salads, but not just any salad, something with some bold flavor and very filling. So with that, on today's episode, we're making a vegan Southwest taco salad with a citrusy cilantro dressing, which we'll serve in a baked tortilla bowl. So let's get started. For this recipe, we'll need some large tortilla. We're using these burrito style that are 10 inches across. Vegan chorizo. We get this from a supermarket called Trader Joe's, and it comes in a package like this. After removing it from packaging, you can heat it up in a microwave or in a skillet, which is what we did. We'll also use some vegan cheese that we've cut into small pieces. Some sweet corn kernels. Some black beans that we've drained and rinsed, a couple of hearts of romaine lettuce, red onion chopped, some tomatoes, a couple of avocados based on your tolerance, and lastly our homemade citrus cilantro dressing. If you're new to this channel, glad you could join us. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of foodies. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family to spread the love. Also be sure to click the bell icon and turn on future notifications as we upload recipes every week and you don't want to miss out. We'll start by making the tortilla bowl. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is around 175 Celsius. Lightly oil a medium glass bowl. We're going to use this glass bowl to give the tortilla bowl its shape. Fold the tortilla into the shape of the bowl. Be as gentle as possible to prevent tearing. Press it into the sides of the bowl to make sure there is good contact to the oil surface. This will help crisp up the tortilla from the outside. There, that looks good. We'll do one more for good practice. Now we'll load these onto a baking sheet, which will help with the handling when we take it out of the oven. Alright, let's go to the oven. We'll place these on the middle rack and bake for 15 minutes. Then we'll come back and flip them and bake for another 15. Careful handling the glass bowls, they're extremely hot. We're using some metal tongs. These will go back in the oven for another 15 minutes. And just like that, the tortilla bowls are done. Crispy on the outside. We'll set them aside and let them cool. You can also bake these in the air fryer at 300 degrees for 10 minutes, and then flip it halfway. While we were going for a tortilla bowl, we ended up with the tortilla cup. The shape aside, know that the technique works. For our salad dressing, we'll need olive oil. Extra virgin would be best. And an equal amount of lemon or lime juice. We're using a 1-to-1 ratio of oil to acid, along with minced garlic, freshly chopped cilantro, ground black pepper, some toasted cumin powder, red chili flakes, and salt. This is one of the simplest salad dressings. We're going to combine everything in the salad dressing container and stir vigorously. This is our favorite salad dressing container, which comes with a spout, which seals at the top. And it's graduated. No, it didn't go to college. It just means it has the measurements printed on the sides to help us with measuring. That's it, the salad dressing is done. For this salad, we're going to chop the lettuce across into strips and transfer it to our salad bowl. And we'll chop the tomatoes into medium-sized pieces. And transfer them to the bowl as well. For the onions, we prefer to chop them a little bit smaller than the tomatoes. A larger piece of onion can be a little bit strong in flavor, and it can overpower everything else. We'll add them to the salad bowl as well, along with black beans and corn, as well as our chorizo and our vegan cheddar, which happens to have a stray bean in it. And lastly, we'll add the avocado. We usually cut the avocado just before serving the salad. We slice the avocado in half, remove the seed, then using a paring knife, slice directly into the avocado, and scoop out the pieces with a spoon. And you guessed it, they also go into the salad bowl. With the avocados on board, our salad is ready to be served. We'll go ahead and mix the salad before adding the dressing, so there's even distribution. That looks good. Now we'll add on the dressing. One more good shake, and drizzle it on. And give it a final mix. Now we'll transfer it to our homemade tortilla bowl. There you have it, vegan Southwest taco salad with our homemade tortilla bowls and a citrusy cilantro dressing. That looks good enough to eat. So let's not mince words. Oh man, can't wait to try this. This is a hearty salad you can enjoy for lunch or dinner. And it has a great balance of flavors. The spiciness of the chorizo, the tanginess of the dressing, the saltiness of the cheese. Amazing. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. Also remember to subscribe and share this with your friends and family to help support this channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, which turns on future upload notifications so you don't miss a thing. We make recipes from all over the world. If you try this recipe, be sure to tag us on Instagram at BerryBerryLife. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you and enjoy!